What's up guys, Sides here back with another video. So in this video I'll be teaching how to make a cool Savanah scene in Google Slides. So first up, just gonna create Google Slides. And this is just the end product, it'll look something like this. So for this project we'll need Google Slides, Google, and remove.bg, which will be in the link below, but it's just the URL, literally remove.bg. So pretty simple. So first step I like to do is just to create the little bottom stripe right there. So just go up to shapes and a square and just put at the corner and just stretch it out through all the bottom. Change the fill tool to black and remove the border thickness. The background will just be, so go to gradients and go to custom color and then change type to radial. So you want the first color, go to like the simple light orange, and the other one you create a custom color, so go to basic red and hit new and slide it over to like orangey red and just make it a bit lighter and get something like that. It's a slight gradient. I'm actually gonna change it to this one, be a bit more red. I don't think I made it red enough. There we go. Next, we are going to put the sun in, which is just a circle. And the sun also gets a custom grade or a custom color. Go to normal yellow and just create a custom version off of it, just making it lighter. Maybe a bit darker. And something like that. Next step is we're just gonna go do the Savannah trees. I'm not sure if they're actually called, but you can just Google Savannah tree PNG. It doesn't matter if they're PNG since we have remove.bg. I just like it. Just find one you like. This one works, and we can just put this in remove.bg software, and it'll convert the image into a PNG, and it's PNG now. So we can copy and paste that back to our slideshow. And just gonna crop the bottom out. So what we want is one main tree. That's gonna be kind of the focal point. A focal point. And we can have some in the background, so we can just duplicate them and shrink them down in places just as background images. I normally have like 3 or 4, just depending. And make sure everything's nice and spread out. So for the ones in the back, go to Format Options, Adjustments, and Opacity, and just put that to about 38. Well, the farther away they would be, the more opacity they get. So you can have 40, and you can have like 50. Because this would be how far they are in the background, in the distance, to show distance. Next up is the giraffe, or giraffes, so just look up giraffe, find an image of a giraffe, this one's fine, and put that in remove.bg, and put that PNG that it created into the slideshow, crop it down by double clicking and dragging on the black things just to make it more manageable. Now we are going to scale that shape down and just place it somewhere at the bottom of the tree. Move that over, stretch it out a bit. You can adjust it as much as you want. And I'm going to go to Form Options, and then just bring the brightness down to 0, and then we have giraffe. One more thing is we can add some zebras in the background. I'm also going to add giraffes this time for this version. So go to Google, and just Google a zebra. Find a picture of zebra, put it in remove.bg, and copy and paste it onto Google. change your format options, bring the brightness all the way down, and just go crop it, and just bring the size real down. Well, there'll be several different layers, but you can just sprinkle them a few around the entire thing, and these will be scaled down later. So this one can be scaled down. Scale on this one can stay the same. I'm gonna rotate this one by right clicking and rotate. Scale this one down. Rotate this one. Maybe this one too. And this one. Shrink that one a bit. Once you got all of them. How did that guy get rotated? Once you got all of them in your preferred positions, same thing, we can just adjust the opacity based on how far they are in the background. When you're doing like stuff with opacities, it will clip it, or like the opacities of other layers will kind of act, so try to make sure they're not in other one's shadows, if that makes sense. And yep. Well, this has been Z-Slides on how to make a cool Savannah scene in Google Slides. Z-Slide out.